In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error message in ChatGPT. So if you are getting this error message, there's a couple of things we can do to fix this. Now, the first thing you want to try doing is simply refreshing the web page. You can do that just by pressing the reload button at the top here, or just press the F5 key on your keyboard, and that's also going to refresh the page. Now, if you've already tried that and it's not working, then what you need to do is come over to the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll all the way down and click on Settings. And then from here, select Privacy and Security from the left. Then come down and select Delete Browsing Data, and you want to make sure you have cookies and other site data checked like so, and then click on this Delete Data button. So once you've deleted your cookies and cache, you can then head back over to ChatGPT and once again check to see if that's now solved the issue. Another thing you can try doing is heading over to the three vertical dots and clicking on New Incognito Window, and you can try launching up the ChatGPT website from here. It may require you to log back into your account, and that's another way you can also solve this issue. Now, another reason why this error message might occur is if you're connected to a VPN. Sometimes VPNs can cause connection issues as well as the error message something went wrong. So if you are connected to a VPN, just try disconnecting it and checking to see if that's fixed the issue. Also, the same with antiviruses if you have an antivirus installed on your computer. So I currently have a Vast antivirus down here. You want to try temporarily disabling it, and sometimes this can also solve the issue. So if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then it's likely an issue with too many people using ChatGPT. It's likely you're trying to use it at a busy time. So the only really solution to this is to upgrade your plan, which you can do in the bottom left hand side. You can click on this upgrade plan button, and you'll need to change from the free plan to the plus plan, and this is essentially going to give you priority access on the website. So that's it, guys. That's how you fix the something went wrong error message in ChatGPT. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.